Your side.
This used to be something else before, I can easily tell.
Yeah, yeah.
Oops, sorry.
Big brother.
Well, we can't go to B.
No. This looks like it used to be an electric eye.
Probably, yeah. I'm gonna switch sides here in a bit.
It's ended too.
Yeah. Hopefully no one gets. I'm just gonna stay on anyway. I don't care.
Yeah.
I'm from Phoenix,
Here, switch.
and we act different than you all. Okay. Okay, we'll get off at 2. We'll let other people use the elevator.
Was she waiting to get on?
She was. And there's another person on 2 waiting to get
They
on.
walked away, I saw them.
We're gonna get off. I don't want to hog the elevator because other people need to use it. Okay. Okay, there it goes. Nice door design, and
Right.
that's